Hello, Antoinette, and everyone over there at Combine Construction. It was good talking to you yesterday, Antoinette. Here's the video that I promised to send you. Um, Here, I want to go over I want to give you 3 tips that can help you optimize and draw more clients to your website and hopefully give you guys more business. You can feel free to use these tips, give them to your website or SEO person. Or if you like what you see and you think I have some tricks up my sleeve, I'm more than willing to discuss partnering together to help you grow your business. Again, my name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital, and my email address is charles@warleydigital.com if you'd like to get in touch. So let me talk about the 3 tips without wasting any more time. First one is content, second is citations, and third is backlinks. So with content is everything that's on your page, including all the text, all the pictures, the text behind the pictures, meaning whatever these images are saved as. For example, this is just a random Shutterstock, then a random string of numbers, and I see an X there. I think that's the pixel size. Anyway, Google sees all of this, and all your content counts towards ranking you. With Google, it's good to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content on your front page. So I would definitely add a lot more content to your page. Authoritative meaning it says exactly what you are, what you do, locations you service, etc., and what services you provide, and etc., 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 etc. The other thing with content, you should have enough good keywords. Now, keywords are the words that people use to search for a certain service. They could be location based keywords. Those are the best to rank for because Google will know that you're an authority within that certain location. So if I was looking for a contractor in Sharon Hill, that would be a keyword. Contractor, Sharon Hill, for example. If I would search for that, actually just Sharon PA. I'm not sure why I said Sharon Hill. And you can see these results that come up. Now Google puts these results here because Google seems to think that these are the most relevant to the person who's searching. There are tools out there that you can look up different keywords according to whatever niche you're in and location you're in, and find out who's searching the most for them, the volume of searches per month. And those are the kind of keywords that you'll put on your website and help it rank, to help Google know I should put you in front of your customers when they search for those certain keywords. Second thing I wanted to talk about is citations, which has to do with this area here. Whenever you do a Google search for a local service, you'll see this map pack. It's called a map pack with a map and 3 companies here. How do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Because if you hit view all, you'll see other companies around the same area that are ranking in this map pack. On the front page, you only see the top 3. This has a lot to do with citations. Now, citation is anywhere across the internet in directories that your business name, address, and phone number appear exactly as they do in Google. The more authoritative and the higher number directories you're in, the higher you'll rank in this map pack. There are also other tools out there, popular tools like Whitespark and BrightLocal, that you can use to find out your competitors' citations. And it would just be a matter of matching those citations and then probably getting about 50 to 100 more citations so that you stay and remain the top of the map pack. Third thing I want to talk about is this section down here, which is the organic listing section. And the way to rank higher here has a lot to do with backlinks. If you think of the internet as a connection of web pages all linked together, a backlink would be a link on one web page other than yours that directs traffic to you, to whichever page on your website. So if a Pizza Hut in Maryland has a link heading to you, directing people to you, that will not count as much as a general contracting forum or a construction website, construction website that has a blog linking to you. That's because not all backlinks are created equal, and Google knows this. So it can tell what's a spammy backlink and what's a stronger and more relevant backlink to what you do. There are tools out there to go into your competitors and look at their backlinks. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and I took the liberty of just putting your website here, and I saw you only have about 65 backlinks from 20 referring domains. So what I would tell your website person, SEO person, is to go into your competition, find out their backlinks, the keywords that they rank for on their website, and make sure you can beat and dominate them in backlink with your backlink profile. So you know where they get their backlinks from, and you're able to add more and find higher quality sites to backlink to your page. That way, for each of the searches that are done for the keywords on your page, you start to rank first and draw in more business. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about. Thank you very much for paying attention all the way. Citations, content, and backlink. Pass this along to your website or SEO person and help them, and let them help you start drawing in more and more clients. One last thing I wanted to say is that your site is not secure, and it's important even for Google to rank you higher to have your site security set up, and that's usually with your whatever platform you built your website with. So just make sure you go in there and have it secured. As the first thing, that's the first thing I would do. Thank you very much. Once again, Charles Marine is my name, and if you'd like to give me a call, if you want to work together. But otherwise, no harm, no foul if you don't pass these tips along to your website person, as I've kept on saying. And hopefully you'll start to grow your business even more using this asset that you already have. Thank you.